What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And today I've got a throwback for you. You heard right, a throwback. I'm taking you back to where I was June last year, before Corona. So if you remember from my vlog videos, I was in China last year, but what you may not have known is that I had an 8-hour layover in Seattle. 8 hours. And so I decided to do a little exploring, and now I've compiled all that footage and I'm gonna share it with you. So if you have any ideas of where I should visit the next time I go to Seattle, like on purpose, let me know in the comment section below. But you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.
So I've decided to be spontaneous. I have a stupid long layover and I decided that I'm gonna explore the city. I'm gonna start by taking public transit. Can't wait. Okay, I don't wanna cry, but I've asked like a million people and nobody's able to give me like clear-cut directions. Everyone's telling me how to get there as if I live here, and I don't. Okay, I think I have successfully figured out which side of the track I need to be on. Got my ticket, hoping that I get to my location in time to catch my 3-hour bus tour. So I made it out of the train, and I think I found the meetup spot. I'm trying to get there now. I think I see my little tour bus. I think they waited for me. I don't know.
Seattle sits on what's known as Puget Sound, which is an inlet of the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean out here, hundreds of miles of peninsula between us and the open sea.
Okay, y'all. Tour update. I feel like such a granny. Like, out here just being like, I'm gonna take a bus tour. But Marcia, I think that's her name, our tour guide lady, she got a wealth of knowledge. Like, she really just out here like, there's never, oh, I should be turning this way. Yes, get the light, catch the light. There's like never a quiet moment on this tour, which is really good. Like, you know how sometimes there's that awkward dead silence, dead space that we don't have to worry about there, which is really cool. And she does let you ask questions, and then like she gives you a legit answer to the question and not just that like, I don't know. I'm trying to decide whether or not I want to eat, or do I just want to wait and like find like a legit Seattle scene type food situation.
So we're known for our Walla Walla onions, our apples, our cherries, our wheat. We're also the largest producer of grapes in the country, which is recent. It's only been in the last year, so we were third for a long time. So we produce not only a lot of juice grapes, but also wine grapes. So there's a lot of wine production in the greater Washington area.
Okay, at the locks. It's real cute or whatever. I don't know what we could see some seals, so I'm looking forward to that. If not, we'll just see a really pretty view. So I'm about to go get closer to the water and find out. Supposed to be able to see the salmon. I don't see no salmon. You see salmon? I see some kelp, seaweed.
We have Queen Anne Hill just north of downtown. Seattle Center, which is where the Space Needle is down on the flat below Queen Anne Hill. Then we run into Belltown, which is our more residential area of town. Then we flow into what's known as the retail core area, financial district, and then what's known as Pioneer Square. Pioneer Square is where we'll take our first break, just to let you know too. So we're gonna just go initially a few blocks, and we'll be starting at the Amazon headquarters. A lot of people want to see that. And then we'll make our way around Pike Street Market and the waterfront, and then our way into Pioneer Square. So that'll be the first stop along the way. Over here to the right, we also have the geospheres. Now the geospheres are very unique. Amazon wanted to try and create a natural atmosphere for their employees to see if they would be more rejuvenated in terms of their workday. Freemont Field over here to the right. We'll be able to see it from a few other viewpoints. Excuse me, it has 70% coverage has a big split down the middle. So this is used primarily by the NFL football team of the Sehawks and Major League Soccer team of the Sounders.